Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your background image on your Zoom meeting app. So it is very simple process. So here I am on my computer screen. So just click on Zoom application and sign in on your laptop. So after that you can see on the top of the right corner you can see settings option. Just click on settings option, and after that you can see all these options here. So just click on background and filter option here. After that you can see just click on none. So this is, so right now I don't have any filter or any background here, so you can choose these filters here. You can see these background for your Zoom meeting app here, so whatever you want, just click on here. So here you can see this is a video background here. So after that if you want to change from none to this, just click on the and this option and just click on this exit option here. So right now if you want to upload any another video, so just click on, you can see the plus option here, plus add image or video. So after that add image or video. So if you have any image you want to put on your background, just click on image, and if you want any video, just click on video. So right now I just click on add image here. So just click on any image you want as a background here. So right now I just click on this image, so that you can see here. So whenever I just call anyone, this picture will be my background picture on my Zoom meeting app. So it is very simple process, you can do it on your own. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. See you again in next video.